Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked summer squash. So let's get toasting. I managed to grow some pretty good squash this year. Last year it didn't grow, so I have yellow squash and a couple of different kinds of zucchini here. So I'll just take these two and I'm going to slice them up and put them in that 10-inch cast iron skillet and then bake them in my toaster oven. I cut these about a 1/4 inch thick or so, and I'm going to season them with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion, but you can season them any way that you like. That looks pretty good. And I'm not using any oil, so they'll be pretty low calorie. And I'm going to pour a little bit of pasta sauce over the top, but you don't have to. You can just bake them without that if you like. It's a little bit different every time I do this. You could also put cheese over that if you wanted to, but I'm just going to put some pasta sauce on there like that and get those into my toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my oven rack down at the bottom, and this oven preheats for 10 minutes before the timer starts. I set it for 20 minutes, so I'll just keep an eye on it and we'll see how it does. Timer just went off, so let's get this out of here. Smells great. I smell that garlic. I'm going to put this plate over the top of this and just let that steam for a few minutes now before I try it out. I left that plate on there for 5 minutes or so. Just lets the squash steam a little bit and adds a little bit more moisture to it. I'll put some Parmesan cheese on there and we'll see how it is. Looks nice and soft. So I don't know how hot this is, but anyway, I'll try this one over here. I don't want to burn my mouth. Anyway, let's try it out. That's really good. The pasta sauce adds a lot to it. I wonder if Annie will eat squash. I have no idea. Let's give her a piece of this yellow squash and see what happens. Well, she ate it. She didn't seem overly thrilled, but she ate it. That kind of squash can be a little bland, but adding the pasta sauce really adds a lot of flavor to it. It's pretty good that way. And I like doing it in the toaster oven because I can just set the timer and go do something else. And when I steam stuff on the stove, I always tend to forget about it. Anyway, hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for watching, and I'll write everything in the description.